It's one thing for a guy to notice you, but making him chase you is another thing. But a whole new thing to learn how to make a man chase you and like you more with each passing day. Perhaps you're wondering how you can make a guy realize that you're the person he would love to date and have in his life. It's time to find out how you can make the guy you're attracted to desire and chase you. So you can let a guy do the chasing. I'm sharing with you these subtle yet powerful moves that work like charm. Let's start. If you want a man to fall harder for you by making it hard to date you, you'll make him desire you even more. Evolution was built this way. The concept of believing there's something there for you at the end of the tunnel, even if it's difficult to achieve. How to make a man chase you. 1. Ignore him. Most people have a strong desire for things they can't easily obtain. As a result, denying him to get his attention will drive him insane. People want what they can for a variety of reasons, like the ego satisfaction, attraction to the person's unpredictability, realization of a fantasy. Even if you do, act as if you don't care, a little. He'll start to wonder about you and think about it. He'll begin to wonder why you're not interested in him and why you've turned him down. He'll do things to make you notice him because you're the only woman who doesn't give a damn about him. 2. Get busy. Don't make your world revolve around him. Use your time to enjoy doing things that make you happier. When he messages or calls you, don't respond right away. Even if you're already dying to hear from him, he needs to realize that you have an awesome life. And this will make him wonder what's keeping you preoccupied. 3. Exude confidence. People get attracted to those who look, speak, and act with confidence. Men also want their partners to be smart, attractive, and determined too. Extremely sexy traits. When you're confident in your skin, this will make a man desire you more. So if there's something you need to have, it's your confidence. Here are some simple ways to boost your self-assurance. Be the kind of woman you'd like to attract. Take a risk and do something you've never done before. Dress in a way that makes you happy. Make self-care a priority so you can feel good about yourself. 4. Use your feminine charm. In a new study, researchers found that feminine charm combined with friendliness and flirting makes a woman get what she wants. The key here is to be warm, friendly, and inviting. With your feminine charm, you'll be more desirable and attractive in his eyes. Trust that you can melt his heart with the power of your allure. Here's how you can make your charm works. Take good care of yourself. Smile and laugh naturally. Make frequent eye contact when you talk with him. Compliment him sincerely. Find the beauty in everything. 5. Make him think of you. If you want a guy to chase you, don't come off as clingy and needy. Instead, make him enjoy his time without you, but with his mind on you. Do something that will leave an impression or anything that's completely unexpected. Make him feel that you're interested in his life so he'll want you more. 6. Make it known that you have options. When a guy you like knows that you're intensely attracted to him, he'll lose interest and won't chase you anymore. 7. Create an air of mystery. You don't have to reveal your entire life nor share your past intimate moments all at once. Just be a bit mysterious without being too distant. Tell him a secret without telling the whole thing. Suggest doing something he wouldn't think you'd enjoy. Plan a surprise you know he'll appreciate. 8. Be fun to get instead of being hard to get. Playing hard to get can leave the impression that you are not interested and that you think too much of yourself. Instead of being aloof and disinterested, be nice, interesting, and welcoming. Pay attention to him, but always maintain your personal space. This gives him that adrenaline rush so he'll win you over. 9. Don't contact him all the time. When you go out for a date and it went exceptionally well, thank him as a courtesy, but don't initiate another date, even if you want to. If a guy likes you, he'll make a move and nothing will stop him from keeping in touch with you. 10. Let him know he's in charge. If you want a guy to chase you, make him feel that he plays a big role in deciding what to do. Here's how you can do this. Let him take the lead. Tell him that you feel safe around him. Respect his opinion on things. Compliment his best assets. Guys have a hero instinct that needs to be triggered. Make this guy understand how he is needed in your life. 11. Fill your life with meaning and excitement. If you want to attract a man's attention, make sure you fill your life with meaning and excitement. Men would find you more attractive when you have your own goals, ambitions, and passions. Share a few snaps of yourself on social media to catch his attention. 12. Flirt in a subtle way. If you want a man to chase you, you have to show him that you're interested in him. You don't have to be mean or be an ice queen. Instead, flirt with him subtly and make eye contact and lock his gaze. Just don't get intimate right away. 13. Show your best features. Being sexy doesn't mean dressing provocatively or being someone you're not. It means taking care of yourself even more without being too obsessed with your appearance. And it's always valuable to have the traits of a great woman, especially if you're looking for a man. 14. Don't give him everything right away. If you have sex with a man on a first date or after a couple of dates, there's a possibility that he might lose interest in you. Don't just think sex is the best thing that you can offer to a man you love, because it isn't. Other than sex, men seek emotional support, intimacy, connection, trust, security, warmth, and understanding. But don't worry if you had sex with this guy already. 15. Do away with the drama. Men avoid drama as they can't handle the emotions that go with it. They won't go for someone whining, complaining, fighting, or arguing over nothing. You don't have to be emotionless or live a conflict-free life to attract a man. I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.